What it do, like a family? We back again with a mukbang. This our first mukbang ever, so y'all be with us. And excuse the noise, they cutting our grass outside.
Yes, they are. We want to shout out Big White
Big white
Wings.
wings. You ever been Mobile?
If you never been to Mobile, you don't know too much. You don't know what you got going on
You
down
don't know
here.
nothing about stupid.
Okay, but
Make everything stupid.
everything. This is our first time coming here. We heard about it a couple times. You know, if you want the exactly location, it is 405
Wilson
Wilson
Avenue.
Avenue,
Pritchard,
Pritchard,
Alabama.
Alabama. Okay,
They open Monday through Saturday.
they're very reasonable
Yep.
and they give you your money worth.
Yes.
When I tell y'all I'm about to enjoy, it's gonna be good.
We got the stupid okra.
I do want to say we've been gone for a minute. I probably sound like a little distant, but because I got a little cold or whatever.
Yep.
But we've been gone for a little minute. We promise to keep y'all with more videos. I know I look a mess because I haven't got my hair did, but y'all missed my birthday. My birthday was
Mm. Yeah, we Mobile. You gotta try this. You got to.
okra is like my favorite anyway.
Yeah. Let me tell you some of the stupid things he got. He got these stupid fries right here. The toppings for these ones are cheeseburgers, stupid fries, or chicken stupid fries, chicken and bacon stupid fries, connected sausage and bacon stupid fries, seafood stupid fries, steak and shrimp stupid fries, stupid okra, sweet potato, and tacos and bagels. He even got stupid nachos. He got stupid burgers, stupid dogs, stupid Philly cheesesteak too. Link will be in the description.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our page.
Yeah, on game.
If you there, if you know if you're not hitting that bell yet, you need to hit that bell because we're coming with more and more stuff. We're trying to talk over these stuff. If y'all really can't hear us, we'll try it again. We'll try our best to edit it a little louder. But we didn't know that they was coming today.
Yeah. You like that? I only eat grilled chicken. You got me eating today.
It's very good.
Yeah, good.
The thing that really top it off is the
Yeah.
bell peppers and onion.
You can see the okra.
You didn't even like I said that.
I'm saying it's a lot. They give you what you asked for.
It look like I did anything to it.
And we paid, I think, 70, 90 for the stupid corn. I mean, stupid fucker.